Hey guys, do you want to stop Google from saving your searches? Let's turn off your search history in just a few steps. Just open up any browser and type myactivity.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account where you want to turn off your search history because every Google account has its own search. And please note that this process will be same for your iPhone, Android, Mac or the Windows. Here we want to go to web and app activity. If you scroll down and here you have different apps that has your search history. You want to go ahead, view them all and delete your search history one by one. Or you could scroll more down and you could choose an auto delete option that will auto delete your activity after 36 months, 18 months, or 3 months. And at the end, if you click here, that will show you to manage all web and app activity for you. What we clearly want here is we want to turn off our search history for our this Google account, and there we have two options: turn off and delete activity. And the first one is turn off. I don't want to delete any activity, I just wanted to turn it off, and my web and app activity is turned off now. That's it about today's quick video how to turn off your Google search history. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK, and I will see you in the next one.